Hi, this is Ingrid from Old Town Charm, and today I'll be talking about selling natural soaps. Is selling soap profitable? Of course. It is always on demand, especially now when people are looking for organic and a good quality soap. Selling natural soap can be a good business for several reasons. Firstly, there is a growing consumer preference for natural and organic products, driven by a desire for a safer and more eco-friendly options. Overall, people are looking for natural ingredients, not the harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. You can differentiate your natural soap from conventional alternatives. So the combination of increased demand of natural products, potential health benefits, and the ability to stand out in a crowded market makes selling natural soap a promising business opportunity. Here are some steps to consider how to start selling natural soap. Step number 1, research and planning. Research the soap market, including trends, competitors, and target audience preference. Determine your niche and unique selling point, specific ingredients, benefits, and packaging. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. Step number 2, and a very important one, legalities and regulation. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Comply with labeling and packaging regulations for cosmetic and skincare products in your region. Step number 3, and this is a fun one, product development. Formulate your natural soap recipe using high-quality ingredients. Test your soap recipes for quality, effectiveness, and safety. Once you've reached the quality that you're looking for, then we jump into step number 4, getting suppliers and ingredients. Source reliable suppliers for natural ingredients, fragrance oils, essential oils, and packaging material. Once you have your perfect formula, your logo, your packaging, we hop onto step number 5, branding and packaging. Create a compelling brand name, logo, and packaging design that reflects the natural and eco-friendly nature of your soap. Design labels that clearly list ingredients, benefits, and usage instructions. Step number 6, production. Set up a clean and safe workspace for soap production. Follow proper soap making techniques and safety precautions. Keep detailed record of your production process for quality control. Step number 7, testing and quality control. Conduct thorough testing of each batch of soap for quality, scent, texture, and performance. Ensure consistency in your soap appearance, fragrance, and effectiveness. Step number 8, another fun one, online presence. Create a professional and user-friendly e-commerce website or online store. Now remember, nowadays you don't need Shopify, you can use Instagram to sell or TikTok. You can use pretty much any social media to sell your soaps. Don't forget to highlight the benefits of natural ingredients and the unique quality of your soaps. Engage with your target audience through informative and engaging content. Use high-quality product image and detailed product description. Implement secure payment methods and easy checkout options. For example, I use Square, but also I can use Apple Pay, Venmo, Cash App, and others. Step number 9, sales and distribution. Determine your pricing strategy based on product costs, competitor prices, and perceived value. Set up an efficient order fulfillment and shipping process. Consider offering promotion or discounts to attract initial customers. Step number 10 and final step, customer service. Provide excellent customer service by promptly addressing inquiries, concern, and feedback. Encourage customer reviews and testimonial to build trust and credibility. Now that you have all the 10 steps, stay updated on industry trends and customer preference. Continuously refine your soap formulation, packaging, and marketing strategies based on feedback and data. Remember, Starting a business takes time, effort, and dedication. It's important to thoroughly research and plan each step to increase your chances of success. Good luck out there.